Thank you. Thank you.
Is that for me?
Thank you, Victor. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah? Pen. Pen.
I see that. Is that for me? Is that for me? Thank you. No, you want it? Okay.
Can I have it? Thank you. Oh, no.
Oh,
Okay.
he wants me to have it. Thank you. No? Okay, we're gonna walk with it? You wanna walk? Come on. Come on, let's go. There you go. There you go. That's good, buddy.
Chico. Where are you going?
Where are you going? Where are you going now? Yeah? Alright, let's go back this way.
Hey.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Walking.
You got it. You got it.
Mama. Thank you for the pen. Thank you for the pen.
Good job, buddy.